Alright, we got the flash on. What a shit making container, by the way. Move to hardware stores. Fucking hurling! Jacob, I'm gonna go to the other side, see if there's doing anything. See if they're doing anything. Look at this motherfucker. Oh my goodness, she's the goat! We're going to Courage Bay. Wait, Jacob, it's the Unks over here. There's Unks. What am I supposed to be watching exactly? Let's keep zooming in. Look at that jersey. Bro, I can't keep it still. Fuck! We're at John McRae right now. Don't ask, but there's just a giant sand pit. I don't fucking know, okay? Wait, Jacob, let's go rage bait the Unks. There's Unks playing volleyball on the other side. Okay.